know, he was like Superman in real life.
The ability to overcome and produce your best for years, it's unbelievable.
100+ races, won in a row? Who's doing that?
I won 58 races in a row, and I'm second.
Edwin Moses is the greatest of all time as the 400-meter hurdler.
He had tended to become an engineer.
He was going to approach the whole thing using the physics and mathematics.
Trying to figure out how to get from point A to point B while jumping over C, D, E, F, and G.
With his glasses, if you didn't see him run, he might have been the only person who believed he could do that.
And he looked unbeatable.
Edwin Moses.
Who wants to be second?
Once my winning streak began to increase, my role was to continue winning.
When you're an African-American athlete, you are carrying that double burden of athletic excellence, but also the meaning that you bring to the African-American community.
I'm driving down Sunset, stopped at a light, was solicited by an undercover cop. I knew that it was a trap from the beginning. The accusation was that I asked this lady to have sex.
There were a lot of things about this case that struck the racial justice nerve.
They don't want you to have a voice.
Above entitled cause, find Edwin Moses not guilty of this.
I fought it because I wasn't guilty.
The way he had to find solutions gave him the attitude of a champion.
Watch out for me. Keep your eyes on me.
I believed in principles of fairness and equity.
Mess with me.
A legend.